You have definitely scrolled past those mesmerizing medical explainer videos on TikTok, where biology looks more like a high-budget sci-fi movie. These videos are racking up hundreds of millions of views because they turn complex, often dry anatomical facts into genuinely addictive visual stories. The secret isn't a massive production team, it is actually a repeatable, streamlined process that anyone can master with the right AI tools. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on how to build this exact workflow, using Vizard to handle the heavy lifting of editing and distribution. Step 1 is all about establishing a signature look by taking a screenshot from a video you love and using it as a stylistic reference. By uploading that screenshot into ChatGPT, you can prompt the AI to act as a scene writer that breaks down your subject into distinct, simple visual beats. You want about 8 to 10 concise scene descriptions that focus on composition and color, which ensures your final video feels cohesive. Step 2 is generating your assets, where you feed those prompts into an image generator to create your consistent anatomical visuals. Whether you are showing a bite of food or a microscopic cell, consistent lighting and character proportions are the key to keeping your viewers locked in. Now we bring those static images to life in step 3, using an image-to-video tool that adds subtle motion like parallax and camera pans. A slow camera push-in or gentle rhythmic pulsing makes a world of difference compared to static slides, keeping the aesthetic polished and cinematic. Next up is writing a script that hits hard, keeping it snackable and conversational so your audience never gets bored while learning. Aim for about 60 seconds of script, packed with punchy sentences and a surprising fact in every single scene to maximize retention. For the voiceover, use tools like 11 Labs to find a narrator that matches the high-energy modern vibe of your channel. If you really want to make this scalable, step 6 is where you bring everything into Vizard to stop wasting time on manual editing. Instead of cutting every single clip by hand, Vizard's auto-editing feature identifies the best moments and formats them for your social platforms. You can auto-schedule your posts, meaning you can set it and forget it, while Vizard handles the distribution across TikTok and YouTube. Finally, make sure you add stylish captions and a subtle, supportive music track that never competes with your narrator's voice. The goal is to maintain a professional polish without overproducing, so keep your transitions quick and your cuts perfectly timed to the audio. Consistency is your best friend here, so use your analytics to see what works, iterate on your hooks, and keep feeding the algorithm. Stop doing this the hard way with manual syncing and repetitive uploads, and start scaling your content production like a pro. If you are ready to start, I have all the prompts and workflows you need to get your first viral health explainer off the ground today.